the shop. I got my old buddy Atlas here. He's raring to go. I'm raring to go. We're going to make a cutting board in this video. My son works for a real estate company up in New York, and he asked me to make him kind of a fancy cutting board that he can give away as a gift to his clients. Now, we've got some exotics here, black walnut, cherry, and maple. I don't know how exotic that really is, but there's some fancy, nice colored wood. When you put them together, they make a nice contrast. Let's glue them together. Let's see what we can get out of it. Let's get started. What once was one was now two pretty looking little cutting boards. And now we keep our fingers crossed that it don't do this. Catch you when we're finished. Alright y'all, so here's what we got so far. And we learned that we didn't need these two outside boards or sticks on each side of the cutting board. By removing those, this panel fits through my planer. So these cutting boards are now 12 inches by exactly 15.5 inches. We're going to take them over to the old Shapeoko and do some fancy schmancy to them and then finish them up. So we're all loaded up in the old Shapeoko. We're going to use some CARVCEO software because that's the best. And what we're going to do is put some pretty on this board now. I can't use my touch probe to find the corner with the V-bit carving, but I can find the top with the probe. So that's what I'm going to do now. I'm going to put the probe on the top, 0 to the top, then I'll know how tall this block of wood is. I already know. The machine will know then. Just like that, it knows how thick this piece of lumber is. Now I'll bring it over here to this corner manually, set 0 manually, and we'll make the pretty happen. Okay, y'all, time to add the oil. We choose this one. We're not sponsored, but that's what we use. Let's see what this pretty turns into. Before anybody says anything about me doing this right on my countertop, this is a solid cherry countertop, so any of this oil that spills off benefits our table or our bench. Put this on and let it soak in. But I think that come out pretty.
Okay folks, hope you liked the video, hope you got something out of it. Please like and subscribe. Remember, it doesn't cost you anything, and we'll catch you on the next one.